Hi folks, this is Bert with In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda, and we're gonna have a pumpkin cheesecake recipe today. And it sounds very good. This is our first shot at this, our first stab. So we just invited you along to check it out and see what you think also. Hope you guys are having a great day. We got a beautiful, anyways, I've got Linda on the back side and she's gonna help me to kind of go through the ingredients. And we got, first off, we got a graham cracker crust that you see here. We're gonna have a cup of the pumpkin puree. You see the can is here. We're gonna have this is 8 ounces of Cool Whip. I think it calls for a little more, but we're going to go with what we've got and just see how it goes. We got a half a cup of confectionery sugar, and then we've got 8 ounces of cream cheese to put in. Also, the spices, we've got a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm not sure about we got I think it's a teaspoon of nutmeg.
It's a 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg.
1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg
and a teaspoon of cinnamon.
So then we're going to take and blend all of that together, and I'm going to mix it up after we put all this in. And the thing is, we don't want to overmix is what we have to do. Just kind of fold it in once we mix the main ingredients. The Cool Whip we just fold in, right?
Yeah. First of all, you're going to take your cream cheese and mix it till it's smooth and creamy.
Okay, we're going to take this out. Just put this aside. This is going to be noisy, folks, so hang in. Ooh. Okay, we're back, and I've used a blender some, but I'm going to turn this over to the expert chef because I'm chicken. So we're going to let her do it and see how it goes. So here is the master chef.
Okay, we're going to have another lesson. Anyway, all right. He has already blended the cream cheese and it's soft and creamy. So now we're going to add in the pumpkin. And we got a cup of pumpkin here.
Pumpkin eater.
People say, if people tell people pumpkin, they turn their nose up. Don't, because pumpkin honestly tastes like sweet potato. So it's fine. I'm going to cut the blender on too. But I'm going to put in all the spices. Only thing we're not going to put in right now is some whipped cream. That's at the very, very end. So let's do the spices, Bert. So we're going to do, let's see, hold on a minute.
All right.
Let's make sure we've got the spices correct. Okay, we've done the cream cheese. We put in the pumpkin. Put in a half a cup of powdered sugar. This is powdered sugar.
This is a powdered sugar going in.
Okay. Then we want a teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla flavoring. And this is flavoring, so we're going to put...
I got to put on my specs, guys, so I can read which one I use.
So if you're using vanilla extract, use 1 teaspoon. If you're using vanilla flavoring, use 2 teaspoons because the flavoring is not as strong as the extract. So you want the true flavor of the vanilla. So we're going to double it.
So you need 1 teaspoon?
You need 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
2 teaspoons.
This is a vanilla flavoring. And I'll put that on the recipe underneath the description. Okay.
Okay, 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring.
All right, then we want 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay.
We'll
And
do
then we
just a tad.
want,
Okay.
then we want a 1/8 teaspoon of what you got here? What is this?
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg. Whoop. Okay. And I'm getting pumpkin on me. Okay, that's it. Now get your mixer back out.
Okay, she's gonna mix this while I put this up.
Yeah, he doesn't like this mixer, and honestly, we did go by and bought another mixer, and it's just as noisy as this one.
You want to put the folks on mute while you do that?
We can. I'll go ahead and mix it, and I'll be right back. Okay, we've got it. We got the pumpkin, everything blended in, so now we can get rid of the mixer, and Bert's gonna fold in the Cool Whip topping. Well, one of us is gonna fold in the Cool Whip topping, and don't want to do it too much because you want to leave your pie kind of fluffy looking, so don't overdo.
Hey, she wants Bert to fold it in and don't overdo it. Hey, look, no.
Have you got
She's going to handle this. This is the expert chef, and
not bad.
she's going to do her thing while I observe what she's doing. Hey, I'm an apprentice. I'm still just in training, folks. So
Hey, watch me mess it up. But like I said, don't let the word pumpkin scare you off from this pie because it's really good.
well, I don't know about you guys, but when I see cheesecake, my eyes light up. I'll tell you what, a New York style cheesecake is hard to beat. But this is going to be good too. I've got a feeling, and it's like Linda says, pumpkin and sweet potato are almost synonymous if they're done and used with the spices correctly. It really is a treat. So don't be afraid of pumpkin at all.
Look, at one time we had a restaurant around here that all they did was made cheesecakes. And they would charge, what was it, $30 to $40 or more per cheesecake. And I'm like, whoa, do you realize how many cheesecakes you can make if you go to the grocery store and buy your stuff?
And remember, this is no bake, so it's going to be all you do is put it in the fridge and let it set up.
What do you think? That look good?
Now, she said not to overwork it,
I'm
so
not. What do you think? That
I
look
think
pretty?
that's probably good enough.
Looks pretty, doesn't it? Okay. Here's our pie shelf.
Now, all we're going to do now is just put
Back up a little bit.
this mixture into the graham cracker crust and then let it set up.
Let
So
it cool. But it's so easy. Now, Bert and I, we have a difference of opinion about spices. I don't like a lot of spice. He loves spice. So,
well, that goes with Linda being, she just likes more bland food than I do. I like the spicy foods. I like the spicy with the like cinnamon and nutmeg. I love them. But also when it comes to like hot foods, like I put red pepper in my stuff. She would never do that because her delicate stomach just wouldn't take it.
well, I have a lot of trouble with my esophagus. And it burns. And it's like, that's not working for me. So, I try to fix it like he likes it. And then I'll take a bite and guess who gets the rest of it.
Oh, she's fooling folks. She still eats too. She. But look at us. You know who probably gets the most food, right? Just by observation here.
Look, I went to the doctor the other day, and my doctor's telling me I'm like a little, what do you call me?
A little person.
A little person. I'm like, what?
She is a little person,
I
guys.
said, that sounds like a midge. Nothing wrong with that, but I'm like, huh? But I'm just so short, and I don't weigh a lot. But I thought, that's cute. I've never heard him call me that before.
She's like her mother. She watches her weight like a hawk. If she goes up 1 pound, she starts cutting back on the food she eats. Folks, she's a character, but hey, you gotta love her. Just gotta love her.
You're stuck with me. Okay, so let's see. Here, hold on. I got stuff all on me. Let me wash off a minute. We're gonna take a picture. You wanna hold it?
Sure, I'll hold it. This is a picture of the pumpkin cheesecake no bake.
Doesn't that look pretty? Okay.
Don't put that stuff up. I'm gonna have a.
Okay, and that's it.
If you'll hand me that bowl.
Woo. What you
Hand
want
me
to do
the
with the
bowl.
bowl?
I'm gonna have a taste test of
Oh my gosh, he's gonna taste it.
I'm gonna taste the filling itself. Hey, that's tasty, guys.
You want that one?
Sure.
Did y'all used to do this with your mom? I bet so. Mom would call
This
like
is my
batter.
favorite part is the taste.
Anyway, that's it.
That's very good.
We try to keep Cool Whip and cream cheese in the freezer and refrigerator all the time. Because, I mean, you can do all kinds of different flavors with this particular recipe. So,
You guys got to try this. It's a no bake pumpkin cheesecake.
you can put it up close.
No bake pumpkin cheesecake. All right. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. We're going to go out. We're going to try to enjoy some of the sunshine if we can, but it's still on the very cool side today. And just remember, God loves you. So do we. And make sure you like, subscribe, share out our channel. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Love you guys. Bye for now.